Nellie the elephant packed her trunk and trundled back to the jungle. Off she went with a trumpety trump, 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 trump. The head of the herd was calling from far, far away. They met one night in the silver light on the road to Mandalay. So Nellie the elephant packed her trunk and said goodbye to the circus. Off she went with a trumpety trump, 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 trump.
It was a wild and stormy night. Nellie had been travelling for hours, and now she was looking for a place to sleep.
The people in the village said to try Faversham Lodge. But why did they say they wouldn't like to spend a night here?
BC Plover at your service, Nellie, and I'll tell you why. Ever since the owners left on holiday, there have been strange goings-on here. Ghostly figures, lights that go on and off. That's why folks round here say the lodge is haunted. Of course, I don't believe that myself.
I'm not afraid. Anyway, I'm too tired to go any further.
Well, if there's any trouble, Nellie, just give us a call and I'll come running.
Hello? Hello? Oh, the bedrooms must be up there. Oh dear, what's that?